The water source, the water from the source of supply is storage tanks. The suspended impurities are removed through sedimentation, yani sedimentation, coagulation, and filtration. Dissolved gases etc. are removed by aeration and degasification. The water is then softened by removing temporary and permanent hardness through different chemical process. The pure and soft water thus available is fed to boiler for steam equation. uh, Boiler for steam generation, nuclear based thermal power station, composition of an atomic nucleus. A matter is said to be composed of small particles called atom, and the atom itself is composed protons, neutrons, and electrons arranged in a particular fashion. Fission. The center of the atom consists of very dense nucleus formed by protons and neutrons. Around the nucleus, the protons revolve in orbit. The system so formed is similar to that of planetary system as shown in picture 2. The radius of the nucleus is about 10 to the power minus 12 centimeter, while that of electron orbit is about 10 to the power minus 5 centimeter. Important properties of the atomic structure are the mass of proton and neutrons is almost same, while the mass of each electrons is 1 by 1840 times that of a proton or neutron, which shows that mass of an atom is only due to the nucleus. From a Avogadro hypothesis, the number of atom in a gram atom is 6.03 into 10 to the power 10 to the power 10. Actually, its mass is 1.008 gram. Picture 2 and shows that second shell's orbit of electrons. The electron in the second cell's nucleus, and a representation of spinning of electrons is 1.008 by 603 in 10 to the power 23. 1.67 in 10 to the power 24 gram is equal to 1.67 in 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram. The mass of electron 1 kilograms yani 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 by 1840 is equal to 9 into 10 9.10 into 10 to the power minus 31 kilograms. It has been practically observed that to deposit 1 molecules gram of hydrogen 96493.7 coulombs of electricity are required, यानी कि 96,493.7 coulombs of electricity are required. So change on each electron is equal to 96.493.7 by 6.03 into 10 to the power 23 is equal to 1.602 in 20 to the power minus 19 coulombs. The charge of proton is the same as that of electron, is equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. Equation 4. The charge and mass of electrons, proton and neutron can be summarized as the name of atomic ingredient, electric charge in coulombs, mass in kilograms, मास एटॉमिक मास यूनिट, यानी कि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो होता है इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज कूलम्ब में -1.602 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -19 एंड मास इन किलोग्राम्स तो 9.10 10 into 10 to the power minus 21 kilograms. Mass in kilograms. Mass in atomic mass unit 0.000.548. प्रोटॉन्स की बात करेंगे तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चार्ज इन कूलम्स प्लस 1.602 into 10 to the minus 19 electric charge in coulomb. Mass in kilograms 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 mass in kilograms. Mass in atomic mass unit 1.00758. अब न्यूट्रॉन्स. नेम ऑफ एटॉमिक ग्रेडियंट न्यूट्रॉन्स. इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज कूलम्स 0. मास इन किलोग्राम्स न्यूट्रॉन्स का 1.67 इंटू 10 के पावर माइनस 27. मास इन एटॉमिक मास यूनिट 1.00898. 1 एटॉमिक यूनिट्स बराबर होता है 1.6597 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 19 किलोग्राम. The atomic number and mass number. The chemical properties of an atom depend on the number of protons present in the nucleus. The atomic number of an atom is defined as the number of proton present in the nucleus of an atom and is represented as Z. Let n be equal number of neutrons in the nucleus. The mass number A is given as A is equal to Z plus N. The advantage of atomic number and mass number is that the represents an atom uniquely. Thus, for example, sodium atom is represented as 12. Thus, Na23, तो 12 is denoted atomic number. 12 is depends atomic number and 23 is represent mass number, where the prefix represent the atomic number Z, यानी Z atomic number, and suffix represent mass number A, यानी 12 atomic number and 23 is mass number. The numbers of neutron n represent in the atom can be determined by n is equal to A minus Z, यानी 23 minus 12 यानी कि 11 neutrons. The atomic number, mass and number of neutrons for some elements are listed in the table 1. एलिमेंट यानी कि हाइड्रोजन का जो 1 यानी कि एटॉमिक नंबर 1:1 यानी एटॉमिक नंबर Z इज एटॉमिक नंबर 1. मास नंबर इज 1 एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स इसमें 0 होता है हाइड्रोजन में. हीलियम्स 2He4 यानी कि 2 जो हो जाएगा इसका एटॉमिक्स नंबर 2 एटॉमिक्स नंबर एंड मास नंबर इज 4 and neutrons is 2. 4 minus 2 यानी कि 2 neutrons. Oxygen 8016 यानी 8 is atomic number 8 and 16 is mass number and neutrons 16 minus 8 यानी कि 8 neutrons. Uranium 92 U238 यानी कि 92 एटॉमिक नंबर एंड 92 एटॉमिक नंबर 238 यानी कि मास नंबर. देन 238 माइनस 92 यानी 146 न्यूट्रॉन्स 6 न्यूट्रॉन्स. न्यूक्लियर पावर स्टेशन a generating station in which nuclear energy is converted into electrical energy is known as a nuclear power station. In a nuclear power station, heavy elements such as uranium 223 mass numbers and thorium 232 mass number are subjected to nuclear fission in a special apparatus a reactor known as a reactor. The heat energy thus released is utilized in rising steam at high temperature and pressure. The steam runs into the steam turbines which converts steam energy into mechanical energy. The turbine drives the alternator which convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. The most important features of nuclear power station is that high amount of electrical energy can be produced from a relatively small amount of nuclear fuel as compared to other conventional type of power station. Although the extracting of the nuclear fuels, uranium, thorium, is difficult and expensive as the total energy content are considerably higher than those of conventional fuels, coal and gases. Advantage: the amount of fuel required is quite small. Therefore, there is a considerable saving in the cost of fuel transportation. A nuclear power plant requires less space as compared to any other type of same site. It has low running charge as a small amount of fuel is used for producing bulk electrical energy. This type of plant is very economical for producing bulk electrical power. It can be located near the load centers because it does not require large quantity of water and need to be near coal mines. Therefore, the cost of primary distribution is reduced. There are large deposits of nuclear fuels available all over the world. Therefore, such plants can ensure continued supply of the electrical energy for the thousands of years. It ensures reliability of operation. Disadvantage: the fuel used is expensive and is difficult to extract. The capital cost on nuclear plant is very high as compared to other types of plant. The erection and commission of the requires greater technical know-how. The fission by-products are generally radioactive and may cause a dangerous amount of radioactive pollution. Maintenance charges are high due to lack of standardization. Moreover, high salary of especially trained personnel employed to handle a plant further rise the cost. Nuclear power plants are not well suited for varying loads as the reactor does not respond to the load fluctuation efficiently. The disposal of the waste which are radioactive is a big problem. They should either be disposed of in a deep drain of yeah in the sea away from the seashore. Schematic arrangement of nuclear power station. The schematic arrangement of nuclear power station is picture 3. The whole arrangement can be divided into three flowing main stages. First stage: nuclear reactor, heat exchanger, steam turbine, alternator. The nuclear reactor it is an apparatus in which nuclear fuels uranium 235 atomic mass is subjected into nuclear fission. It controls the chain reaction that start once the fission is done. If the chain reaction is not controlled, the result will be an and explosion due to the fast increasing in the energy released. A nuclear reactor is a cylindrical stewed pressure vessels and houses fuel rods or uranium moderator and control rods pictures 4. The fuel rods constitute the fission material and release high amount of energy when bombarded with slow moving neutrons. The moderator consists of a graphite rod which includes the fuel rods. The moderator slow down the neutrons before the bombard the fuel rods. The control rods are cadmium and are inserted into the reactor. Cadmium is a strong neutron absorber and thus regulates the supply of neutron for fission. Given the pictures 3, Given the pictures 3, bus bars, three phase isolators, circuit breaker, isolator, transformer, and exciter, alternator, turbines, value steam, heat exchanger, nuclear reactor, filter, pump, and fix water pump, exhaust steam, cold metal pump, and condenser is connected circulating water pump, and circulating water pump is connected cooling tower, and circulating towers is reverse connected. When the control rods are pushed in deep enough, they absorb most of fission neutrons and hence few are available for chain reaction, which therefore stop. However, as they are being withdrawn more and more of these fission neutrons cause fission and hence the intensity of chain reaction or heat produced increase. Therefore, by pulling out of the control rod, power of nuclear reactor is increased, where whereas by pushing them in it is reduced. In actual practice, the lowering of rising of central rods is accomplished automatically according to the requirement of rod. The heat produced in the reactor is removed by the coolant. Generally, in a sodium metal, the coolant carries the heat to heat exchanger. Heat exchanger, the coolant give up heat to the heat exchanger, which is utilized in raising the steam. After giving up heat, the coolant is again fed up the reactor. Steam turbine, the steam produced in the heat exchanger is lead to the steam turbine through a valve. After doing a useful work in the turbine, the steam is exhausted to condenser. The condenser condenses the steam which is fed to the heat exchanger through a feed water pump. This is control rods, and this is coolant coolant and steam, your waters, uranium, and moderator graphite. This is the pressure vessels, ये coolant circulating pump, nuclear reactor. Alternator. The steam turbine drives the alternator which convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. The output from the alternator is delivered to the bus bar through transformer, circuit breaker, and isolator. Selection of site for nuclear power station. The flowing point should be kept in view while selecting the site for a nuclear power station. Availability of water. As sufficient water is required the cooling purpose, therefore the plant site should be located where ample quantity of water is available across a river या by seaside. Disposal of waste. The water produced by fishing in a nuclear power station is generally radioactivity which must be disposed of properly to avoid health hazards. The waste should either be buried in a deep drain or disposed of in the sea quite away from the sea shore. I herefore the site selected for such a plant should have a adequate arrangement for the disposal of radioactive waste. Distance from the populated area. The site selected for a nuclear power station should be quite away from the populated area, as there is a danger of presence of radioactivity in the atmosphere near the plant. However, as the precautionary measure, a dome is used in plant which does not allow radioactivity to spread by wind or underground waterways. Transportation facility. The site selected the site selected for a nuclear power should have adequate facility in order to transport the heavy equipment during erection and to the facility movement of the worker employed in the plant. From the above maintained factor become apparent that ideal choice for nuclear power station would be near sea of river away from thickly populated area. Nuclear reactor may be classified on the following basis: on the basis of neutron energy, thermal reactor, fast breeder reactor, and on the basis of fuels used, natural uranium and treated uranium, and on the basis of moderator used, graphite reactor, beryllium reactor, on the basis of coolant used. Water cooled reactor, ordinary to ordinary या heavy, boiling water reactor, pressurized water reactor, heavy water cooled and moderator reactor, gas cooled reactor, liquid metal cooled reactor, organic liquid cooled reactor, and on the basis of type of core used, homogeneous reactor, heterogeneous reactor, and the boiling water reactor, BWR, boiling water reactor. यानी कि in this reactor fuel used is enriched uranium. Water is used as both moderator and coolant. As is clear from its name, it utilizes light water as a coolant. In this case, the steam is generated. Reactor itself feed water enters the reactor tank at the bottom and takes off the heat generated due to the fission of fuel and gets converted into steam. Steam leaves the reactor at the top and flow into the turbine. Uranium fuel elements are arranged in a uh, particular lattice from inside the pressure vessels containing water. Feed water passes through fuel elements in the code as coolant and also as moderator. Picture 5 shows a boiling water reactor. एडवांटेज की बात करेंगे, a heat exchanger circuit eliminated and as a result there is a reduction in cost and gain in thermal efficiency 30% to 20% for a pressure water reactor PWR. As water is allowed to boil inside the reactor, the pressure inside the reactor vessels in considerable by lower than the case of PWR. As a result, the reactor vessels can be made much lighter, reducing its cost considerably. The BWI cyber is more efficient than PWR cycle, since for a given containment passes यानी कि pressure, the outlet temperature of steam appreciably higher in a BWR. The metal surface temperature is lower than in the case of a PWR, since boiling of water is inside the reactor. A BWR is more suitable than a PWR. In fact, BWR is commonly known as a self-controlled reactor. Disadvantage: there is possibility of radioactive contamination in the turbine mechanism should there occur any failure of fuel elements. Therefore, more elaborate safety measures are needed. This increases the cost. Given a pictures, control rod, control rods, and control rods, reactor core. This is the reactor core, and pump and heat exchanger, and feed water, and steam. Control rod, steam, control rod, steam, and reactor core, and water, boiling water reactor, BWR, boiling water reactor. There is a waste of steam resulting in lowering of thermal efficiency on part load operation. Prescribed water reactor, PW, pressurized water reactor. A pressurized water reactor is pictured 6. The line arrangement of such reactor with heat exchanger in circuit is picture 7. The pressurized and surge tank. Given pictures, this is the prime circuit, reactor, coolant pump, steam circuit, turbo generator, condenser, heat exchanger, condensate pump, a line arrangement of pressurized water reactor. The fuel is used in enriched uranium clad with stainless steel या zirconium alloy and water under press in used as both moderator and coolant. This type of reactor is designed to prevent the boiling of the water coolant in the uranium core. A pump circulates water at high pressure as high 140 kg per centimeter square around the core so that water in liquid state absorb heat from uranium and transfer it to the secondary loop, the boiler. The boiler has a heat exchanger and a steam drum. A pressurized and surge tank taped into the pipe loop maintain constant pressure in the water system throughout to load range. An electrical heating coil in the pressurizer boils to the water to form steam which in collect in the dome. This steam pressurizes the entire coolant circuit. Water spray is used to condense the steam when press is decided to be reduced. Since water is passing through, the reactor becomes radioactive. The entire primary circuit, including heat exchanger, has to be shielded. Advantage: PWR is relatively compact in size compared with other type. There is a possibility of breeding plutonium by providing a blanket of uranium-238. The reactor has a high power density due to a heat exchanger containment of fission. Product is possible. An expensive substance, light water can be used as moderator cum coolant cum refractor. The reactor responds to supply more power when the load increases. The positive power demand so coefficient make this almost automatic. Disadvantage: moderator remains under high pressure. A strong pressure vessel is required. The expensive cladding material is required to prevent corrosion. There is heat loss due to use of heat exchanger in comparison to other type. More elaborate safety devices are required. The reactor lacks flexibility. This requires the reactor be shut down before recharging, and there is difficult in fuel element design and fabrication. The thermal efficiency of PWR is as low as 20%, less compared with that required for PWR and BWR. Almost disadvantages are the extremely high cost of heavy water problem of leakage and very high standard design etc. Nuclear fission and fission. nuclear fission and fusion. Nuclear fission, when an uranium nucleus is bombarded with slow moving neutrons, it exploded into two nearly equal fragments of barium and krypton. The process of breaking off the nucleus of heavy atom into fragments with the release of large amount of energy is known as fission. The fission is accompanied by the release of three neutrons and energy in the form of gamma rays. It shows that the compound nucleus undergoes distortion due to the excitation energy to attain the shape of bomb of dam bell and finally splits up into fission products B barium 141 and krypton 92 atomic mass with the release of three neutrons. यूरेनियम 235 और यूरेनियम 236 न्यूट्रॉन्स बम्बार्ड इस तरह से बैरियम और क्रिप्टन, बैरियम 141 और क्रिप्टन 92 न्यूक्लियर फिजन. It was observed the barium and krypton were not the only product of fission. The isotopes of different elements in the atomic number range from 34 to 58 were also obtained at the fission products chain reaction. The process of nuclear fission usually results in the emission of two or three free electrons per fission besides the other fission fragments. When uranium atomic number or mass 235 nucleus split up generally release three neutrons. One of the neutrons may escape without hitting any other uranium nucleus, thus get lost. The other two may strike against other fissionable nuclei to produce further fission accompanied by release the still more neutrons and so on. Thus, more than one neutrons per fission is produced on the average. The number of fission taking place at each successive stage goes on increasing at rapid rate, giving rise to what is called chain reaction. A chain reaction can be set up only if the mass of fissionable material is greater than a critical mass.